akala mo tamad siya? Baka kulang lang sa tulog. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, but I've been an animal welfare advocate for almost 25 years. Dogs need more sleep than humans. Pag wala silang rest, naku, masungit sila. Nagkakaroon sila ng cranky behavior. So anong gagawin? Create a quiet resting place for them and respect their nap time. Always remember, rest is part of their good health. At tandaan, rested dogs behave better.